Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Wii and getting both remotes ready. Fresh batteries, covers removed, and standing near the sensor bar. Press the console's red sync button once to open pairing mode. The power LED will blink. Then press the red sync button inside the battery compartment of the first remote. You're doing this so the console registers the remote's MAC and assigns it a player LED, a quick handshake that establishes the connection. Once the first remote locks as player 1, press the console sync button a second time to create a new pairing window. Immediately press the second remote sync button inside the battery compartment. Keep it within 1-2 meters and face the sensor bar. You'll see the second remote's LEDs cycle and then stop with the player 2 LED lit. This confirms the Wii has given it a distinct controller slot, so inputs won't conflict between the two remotes. To finish, test both remotes in the Wii menu and calibrate pointing if needed so movement and clicking respond accurately. If pairing fails, power cycle the Wii, swap batteries, and repeat the sync sequence for each remote. Many issues are simply low power or timing errors. If problems persist, move wireless devices away and realign the sensor bar so there's a clear IR path. That single adjustment often resolves tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.